Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how the addition and subtraction is useful in our real life with the help of money. I'm sure you have gone to shop or your parents have gone to shop to buy you some things. What do? Yes, in return of what you buy, when do you say it buy? You give some money. It may be in the form of notes or coins. Correct? So let's see deep into the different type of coins and notes. Now, when we speak about money, it is in the form of coins as well as notes. Let's see the different kind of coins. Here, you can see a rupee coin, or you say it as a 1 rupee. You can see the thumb of 1 and the number 1 written here. Another style of 1 rupee is here. I'll put it properly. Then you have a 2 rupee coin. Come here. This is a 5 rupee coin. You have another 5 rupee coin. Here you have a 10 rupee coin. Now earlier we did not have a 10 rupee coin, but now we do have. If I pick this up, if you see the sides, it has two sides. One would show the amount or the value and the other shows the Ashoka Chakra, which means it is an Indian money or Indian rupee. Same with the other coins. Coming to the notes, the maximum amount of rupee in note we have is 2000. Now if you see, how do I recognize if it is an Indian rupee? You have the picture of Gandhiji. Then you have this line. If it is a real note, you will have this in silver. You will have 2000 water mark over here. If you see in the light, you will come to know. And you can see the number written 2000. Also, when I turn the note, I will see the amount written in number name, in spelling. Yes, the same with 500 rupees. You will see in Hindi as well as in English. Why so? Because our national language is Hindi. And you might see in different other languages in this side. Here. Yes. Here. There's a 200 rupee note. You have a 100 rupee note. You have a 50 rupee note. You have a 20 rupee note. You also have a 10 rupee note. Also a 5 rupee note and a 2 rupee note. Earlier there were 2 rupee notes as well as 1 rupee note. Now children, do you know that if you look at this, how do I recognize that the notes are different or the value of the note is different? You can even differentiate with the color. See, this is a different color from this. The 500 has a different color from the 200 rupee note. Same with the 100 rupee note, the 50 rupee note, the 20 rupee note, the 10 and the 2 at the moment. Now, earlier, you also had a 20 rupee note of this color. Now, you have a 20 rupees note of this color. So, you should be able to identify the difference and the value of it. Yes? Now, what if I have to buy a packet of mixture? I will see the amount over here, which is said 85. So, what will I do? I can either give a 50 rupee note with, now 50 plus how much is 80? Plus 30. So the 30 can be made as 50 plus 10 is 60, 70, 80. Now do I have a 5 rupee note? No, I can use a 5 rupee coin. So it becomes 85. Now this 85 I can make it into instead of 10, I might have 120 rupee. So 50 plus 20 is 70, plus 10 becomes 80 and 5. Correct? Now what if I don't have this 5 rupee coin? What will I do? I might add on to one more 10 and make it 90. So more than the cost. 85 is the cost of the mixture. And I am going to pay 90 because I do not have this 5 rupee to give 85. So I'll give the shopkeeper 90 rupees, and what will I get in balance? I will get 5 rupees. How did I come to know? Because 90 minus 85 is 5. Yes? So I give this 90 and I get 5 rupee along with this mixture. Now let's take another example. What if I have to buy this mixture, and to that also I chose to buy a biscuit. So 85 plus, what is the cost of this? 25. So 85 plus 25 gives you the total of 110. So that is addition. Let's take out the money. Do I have 100? Yes. I have a note of 100 and I also have a note of 10. So I can give it like this, or else I can even make 100 with the help of two 50s and then 110. Yes? And then since it is an exact amount, do I get anything in balance? No. If I had to give more amount, then I have to wait for the balance to come. And how do I get the balance? By subtracting. You learned the different currency or notes of India. The same way, there are different currencies used across the world. In the US, you call the currencies as dollars. In Europe, you call it as pounds, and so on with different countries. Yes, in India, it is called as rupees. So do not forget. And the color, the style of note, the print of note will differ from country to country. Thank you.